Hello, and welcome to the Fast Track Flat Roof Intake Form tutorial. Today, I am going to walk you through filling out the form for our flat roof ballasted solar systems. Fill out your personal information. Select the account manager from our sales team that you work with. Otherwise, select No Preference and you will be assigned one. Enter the approximate date you will be installing this system. The project address is the physical location of the building where the solar system will be installed, not your office or company headquarters. Specify the building information. Select the roof surface material and the type of roof deck underneath. Specify the highest roof if there are multiple roof planes. Flat roof ballasted systems can be mounted on roofs up to 7 degrees. They cannot be mounted on metal roofs. For steeper slopes or metal roofs, please consider Fast Track Ultra. We understand the roof capacity information may not be available at this time. On to system information. Specify the number of modules you want, or just max if you want us to do our best to max out the roof. Choose your racking system, either Fast Track Avenue or EcoFoot. Select your tilt angle and other system details. If you are unsure, select Fast Track Avenue, 10 degree, standard inter-row spacing. You may notice the fully ballasted option is not available. The form automatically removes this option when seismic anchors are required based on the building parameters. Attach any building drawings or layouts you wish for us to copy in our proposal. Specify any special requests or additional info in the notes. Thanks for watching.